This is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide last seen on online status on Telegram. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what it is tells you if someone was active recently or some time ago. And if you can see it, others can see it for you as well. So if you just want to disable it, you have to go to the settings on the bottom right. Then you want to click on privacy and security. And basically you see this last seen and online. You have to tap on that. And then you have everybody, my contacts, or nobody. So if you set it to everybody, everybody will see your last seen. If you set it to my contacts, only people in your contacts in your Telegram will be able to see your last seen. And nobody, it means nobody won't be able to see your last seen. And unless you're a premium user, you won't last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.